Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials so the setup won't stall. Make sure your modem shows an active internet light. Once confirmed, unplug its power for 10 seconds, then plug it back in to clear any cache. Power on the Eero and open the Eero app on your phone, sign in, or create an account. Plug the Ethernet cable from modem to Eero's WAN port. Once connected, watch the app for the device discovery step, because that tells you the network is reachable. Next, you'll configure the network so devices can connect reliably. In the app, choose a clear SSID name and a strong password. Prefer WPA2/WPA3 for security. Assign the primary Eero a central location near the modem. This reduces signal loss. For multiple Eeros, plug or power them on one by one, then follow the app to add each node. Give each device time to show a solid status light before adding another. Finally, verify your new system works across devices and rooms. Use a speed test near the primary Eero and near satellites. Compare results and relocate nodes for dead zones. Configure guest access and any parental controls, because that keeps your main network secure. If a device won't join, reboot the modem and Eero, re-enter the Wi-Fi password, or swap the Ethernet cable. One key troubleshooting tip: only factory reset an Eero when other attempts fail, since reset removes saved settings and requires full reconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.